Hi friends, I ordered today Makeup Mania nail polish from Amazon and along with Cara nail polish removers. These are the wet wipes of Cara. It's actually cost of 12 pieces is 720 rupees. See here 7 and set of 12 pieces and manufacturing date is June 2020 and expiry date is June 2022. Now I am going to unbox it. Let's see how many colors in this box and what are the colors actually. Nice packing, did it? Very nice packing. See, these are the colors.
What are the different colors, different shades I ordered? Okay, first one is white, and okay, this one is coral, this one is black, my favorite color, and this is a little bit transparent and it is having violet shade, light violet shade in this one. It's indigo, not the blue, it's a dark shade of blue. Peach, it's aqua shade. It's salmon color. See, it is a regular color, pink. Lime color, it is very nice, no, looking very nice. Purple, and this one is crimson. Wow, very nice shades they have given. Let's check with the Cara nail polish remover wipes. Okay, I am unboxing this one. See, this is the wipes I ordered. Very nice, thin, and I ordered the rose flavor. See here, it's acetone free. It is very good for the nails actually. Acetone free wet wipes. It is having olive oil and vitamin E to maintain the shine and healthiness of the nails. Now I am ready to wear different colors. First let me try this lime color. It is very light in shade. I think it's need 2 or 3 coats to get the same color. See, finally I get this color after 2 coats. Let me try another color. Purple, at least I am expecting the same color in the single coat. Oh, it is giving light shade. I think it also needed second coat or third coat to get the exact color. This is the second coat I am applying. Wow, it is very nice. Same color. Next I would like to try indigo. I really like this color. It's different for every skin tone. Let me check. It's giving light shade. Need second coat, I think. Exact color I get for the second coat. See, this is the color. Next is aqua. We'll check this one. See, almost I tried all of the colors. See, these are the 5 different shades in the 12 colors I applied. And see which color you'd like. Please comment in the comment section.